Good morning, dear student. Today in class 6 geography, we will be discussing on conservation of minerals. Already I had started this topic in my previous video that how important it is to conserve these minerals because these minerals have been formed millions of years before, and it takes even thousands and millions of years to be formed. And if we use it in a wasteful manner, then we are going to finish this mineral very soon and nothing will be left for the coming generation. So we should be very careful in using the minerals so that we do not waste. Okay, so we should not waste these minerals, and we should reuse, okay, recycle, and try to preserve and conserve these minerals. Now I will continue from here. Recycling. What is recycling? That is when any mineral product, okay, when we are not using it, okay, we should not throw it, but rather we should send it for recycling. That is, those minerals can be used again for making something. So recycling of mineral is also a suggested method of reusing metals. For example, aluminum is a metal that can be recycled very easily. Okay, so aluminum is a metal, and you must be knowing that in the morning, in every area locality, some people come, rag pickers or kabadi wala, who say that you sell your unused or wasteful minerals or metal, whatever. Okay, and so our parents, they sell it, isn't it? You must have noticed. What do they do by buying those waste minerals or metal product? They go and sell it, and then it go for recycling. So for example, aluminum, iron, all these are metal that can be recycled very easily. Then there are companies that recycle used aluminum cans. Okay, so aluminum cans or aluminum product that is recycled by the company. Then scientists these days are also looking to come up with alternative renewable source of energy, and non-renewable source resources can be used less to conserve them. So there are two types of energy. Okay, one is produced by burning coal. Okay, that is NTPC, and one is by using the sun energy or wind energy or geothermal energy, okay, or tidal energy. So there are various forms. So there are two types, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable means sun energy, okay, electricity that can be made from sun, wind, then tidal, geothermal, etc. That is called renewable. You can renew it again and again. Non-renewable, like NTPC, where coal is burned. Once the coal is burned, you cannot get that coal again back. Okay, and so that mineral is wasted for once and forever. So that is called non-renewable resource of energy. So nowadays, scientists are trying to alternate or change or shift from non-renewable to renewable source of energy. Atomic energy is also example of renewable source of energy. So scientists these days are looking to come up with alternative renewable sources of energy, and non-renewable resources can be used less to conserve them, because too we have to protect these minerals, coal, petroleum, and other product, fossil fuels. Then hydroelectricity, wind and solar energy are example of alternative energy source, that is renewable source. Hydroelectricity, that is electricity produced by the moving water. Okay, river water, moving river water can be used for harnessing hydroelectricity. Wind energy, you must have seen the windmill. Okay, so over here example of a dam, and how it can be used for generating electricity. You can see this dam is made. This side is the reservoir. Okay, water is stored, and here the gates are there, and these gates are open, and then the water flow continuously flow from here, and turbines are kept over here, and these turbines, because of the flow of the water, they rotate, and as they rotate, then electrical energy is produced. So this is about renewable and non-renewable. Then hydroelectricity refer to electricity generated by hydropower. Electricity is generated through the use of the gravitational force of falling of flowing water. You can see that water is continuously falling down and it is flowing. Then dams are especially built on rivers for this purpose, for generating hydroelectricity. So this is also example of non-renewable source of energy. Sorry, renewable source of energy. Then solar energy. Solar energy, you can see solar panels are there. Okay, this is windmill energy generated by wind. These fans, they rotate because of the movement of the wind, and because of that, electricity is produced. Yeah, during melas also, you must have seen windmills are sold, which children buy and keep it in their hand. Okay, one round with paper it is made. Solar energy is radiant light and heat from the sun harvested using a range of technologies such as solar heating, solar thermal energy, etc., where solar energy is used. The term wind energy or wind power describes the process by which the wind is used to generate mechanical power and transform to electricity. Then wind power captures the natural wind in our atmosphere and convert it into energy. Okay, so over here you can see these are windmills. Okay, so these windmills, what happened when the wind blow, then this fan start rotating, and then this, as it rotate, it is attached to the turbines, so the turbines also rotate, and so because of the rotation of the turbines, electricity is generated. Here you can see the solar energy. These are solar panels. Okay. They get electrically charged by the sun rays, and then wire is attached to the battery, where the battery gets charged, and then you can get electricity. Okay, so this is also example of renewable source of energy. Okay, so this lesson I have completed. This glossary is given. You have to learn this. Okay, learn this glossary part. Recap, read it. Then the exercise. Okay, you try to do the exercise. Then, if you have any doubt in any of the question answer, then I will discuss those question answer in the next interaction class. We can discuss. Okay, so take care. Then I will in my next video I will start new lesson. Okay, so write the question answer, and prepare for internal assessment. And internal assessment means write 10 question inside, short question, and 5 long question from inside the lesson. And also prepare for class test. I will be telling you, okay, when the class test will be taken on this chapter, that is minerals. Okay, this chapter, minerals. Okay, thank you, take care, bye.